Remy AI is a powerful new AI software that's quickly making waves in the tech world. If you're wondering whether it's the best AI software that's just been released, you're in the right place. I'm about to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about Remy AI. Make sure to stick around until the end because I'm going to share how you can try it out completely free. And trust me, you'll want to know that. First, let's talk about the ease of use. Remy AI is designed with simplicity in mind, making it ideal even for those who aren't tech savvy. You won't need to be a programmer or data scientist to get the most out of this software. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to make implementing AI into your workflow as easy as possible. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger enterprise, Remy AI fits seamlessly into your existing systems. One of the standout features of Remy AI is its automation capabilities. This software is built to save you time, whether you're automating content creation, social media posts, or customer interactions. It's powerful yet straightforward, handling repetitive tasks while you focus on what really matters, growing your business. I've seen companies save up to 30% of their time by automating these mundane tasks, and with Remy, you can too. Another thing that makes Remy AI stand out is its data processing power. The AI doesn't just crunch numbers, it intelligently analyzes and provides actionable insights. Whether you're looking at trends in consumer behavior, sales performance, or even marketing ROI, Remy's AI gets it right and can deliver clear insights without requiring extensive training on your end. This means better decision-making and more efficient operations right out of the box. For those working in digital marketing, Remy AI offers powerful predictive analytics. It helps you forecast trends, identify potential opportunities, and even optimize your campaigns. You can use it to craft more targeted ads, optimize your content strategy, or even streamline customer outreach. The AI doesn't just assist, it acts like an intelligent marketing partner, constantly working to improve your strategies. But it's not all about automation and data. Remy AI also focuses on improving your team's productivity. It integrates with a variety of tools, allowing your team to work more efficiently across different platforms. This means less time spent jumping between apps and more time spent focusing on key tasks. Another key point is Remy's scalability. Whether you're a solopreneur or a part of a large organization, Remy AI scales with your needs. It's flexible, so you can add features and functionalities as your business grows, making it a long-term investment that adapts with you. Finally, I know security is a concern for a lot of people when it comes to new AI tools. With Remy AI, you can rest assured that your data is safe. The platform uses top-tier encryption and follows best practices for data privacy, ensuring that your business and customer information remain secure. Before you go, don't forget to grab your chance to try Remy AI for free. Just click the first link below. Trust me, if you've been exploring AI tools, you're going to want to see how Remy can elevate your business. And if you're curious about other AI software options, I've got a list of my top picks down in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I recommend the most. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check out the other software I've reviewed. These tools will change the way you do business.